What does it mean to be British?
The swagger of Oasis.
Well, it's a love of traditional values.
I'm on a journey.
So how to capture that on a plate?
When I think of British food, I think of honesty.
Marco Pierre White made a 3-hour programme in the 2000s about how important being British is and tied it around a fish pie.
My whole vision was blinkered.
Will he be able to serve a British-themed feast to 50 people in a hall? Well, yes, of course he will. He's a chef.
I'm putting myself out there to fight for what I believe in.
There's water pressurised, yeah. There's water pressurised, yeah.
A great dinner for 200 people.
To help you swallow.
And they will all walk away thinking, we love Britain.
Brian.
Marco projects the warmth of a barracuda.
I'm not 100% British,
No one is.
but I was born and I was bred in Britain. I'm very proud to be British.
Marco invites us into his pub.
Have a pint of cider, please. I shoot better piss.
Marco and his driver, Mr. Ishii, are heading to some nearby fields.
There's one. There you go. What better way of celebrating their life? By eating them.
I think rabbit's delicious, but even I could see that there were answers the rabbit might prefer.
Throw them in my Range Rover. Mr. Ishii will not be very happy, but that's fine.
Very simple. It's carrots, onion, celery.
It's very simple. Yeah, well, it is. If you're Marco Pierre White.
I don't want aggravation. I mean, there's no real butchery to it. It's just very simple. Changes every time I do it. You've got to have a bit of confidence. Very simple. Bit of volleyball. It's soup.
You're not teaching me, you're just showing up.
Marco spots a donkey and seems to unsettle Mr. Ishii.
That little railway, look at that little pony there, donkey. I like donkeys. Do you like donkeys?
Yes.
Look at this donkey, look at his tongue. Look at this donkey. It's fucking great. Look, can you hear him? I love donkeys. Can you hear him? He loves me. He's a nice donkey. Do you want to ride him, Mr. Ishii? Do you have donkeys in Japan?
Yes, we do have, yes.
White spent 9 months as a vegan a decade ago.
I went from 20 stone to 15. I became fascinated by the weight loss.
Look at the size of that fucking cow. It's fucking massive. Do you want to kiss him, Mr. Ishii?
Then I started to look at cheese boards.
We love pig.
Oh, good girl. I wish I had a wife like that.
A pig, in my opinion, should be fat.
Their relationship started veering between displays of affection at Frankie's, the Knightsbridge pizzeria he owned with jockey Frankie Dettori, to monumental rows, usually over accusations of infidelity with a succession of waitresses.
I've been trapped in a dead marriage for 10 years.
Look, that's proper pig, isn't it?
Yeah.
But would I have pig? Yeah. Would I have rabbit stock pot? Yeah. No fuss, straightforward, perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. Pig. 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 When would you like to come, madam? I can do you at 9:30. You're desperate, are you? Would you like to give me your number? I've got to do you. And your bedroom number. Bye-bye. When I think of British food, I think of honesty. We have great fish in our waters.
Fish! 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 How long's my 17 kingfish? How long's my...
It's that simple.
Well, there's a lot of fish down there, isn't there? It's exciting.
Hurry!
Nice pollock. It's very simple. Pull and twist. So there's our fish pie. How are you, beautiful girl?
Hello, Marco.
It is magical. It really is.
So peaceful. Get beautiful chunks with that.
Oh, I love a chunk. Oh, you're so naughty, you know that you should be spanked with rhubarb sticks.
After serving up a magnificent meal for a respected publisher and his gay partner, he kept insisting there must be something else he could do to make their meal complete, then had the brainwave of lifting out his manhood and slapping it onto the linen.
I'm putting myself out there.
Please don't.
To fight for what I believe in.
You're confused.
I believe in Britain.
What makes Britain Britain?
I don't think any of these dishes represent Britain.
Is it the people?
Would I have allowed people to have a say? The answer is no.
Oh, okay.
I mean, they look like the Addams family.
Correct. Honey roast pork.
With spices.
With spices.
Very colonial. Yeah. I want realness on the plate. I want realness of produce, and I want realness of people's views. There's no real skill to this job. So our herrings have been in for just over 2 days. I like to show off.
Have people forgotten what it means to be British?
Very simple. It's Britain on the plate.
It means Scotland being slowly gutted by a parliament that is too busy filling their pockets.
I'm here to fly the flag for Britain.
Britain can fuck off.
What's important about a starter? It's the beginning of your dinner.
Yeah.
One for the pot, not for greed.
They are greedy twats who want to own and exclude others from the countryside.
I always loved that romance of the poacher.
And they need to get fucked.
All dressed up in their gear. Their long poles.
Fucked.
So we've got the venison. Very simple. You don't have to be a cook. We separate the white from the yolk. Venison tartare.
Carved liver and onions.
Great marriage. See, now I'm going through divorce and I'm a single man again. I think it'd be quite nice to bring a bird for dinner. Have you ever brought a bird here? No.
No. It's good to take on board other people's opinions, as long as they're presented in the correct way. Because if they're not going to be proud of Britain, then they should not turn up.
Genuine question. Can you be proud of something you have no control over? It's like being proud of being tall. You didn't do anything. You were just born that way.
It's not something that I'm used to, so I guess it's a bit ambitious for me.
And not all of them have a great understanding of food, but that's not the point.
What was the point? Pierre White appears to have an existential crisis pondering this question.
You happy to be here, Mr. Ishii?
No, it's the first time.
No. Are you happy to be here?
Yes.
Where's your favourite, Mr. Ishii?
The Yorkshire is very nice. I'm so impressed.
The Yorkshire's impressive. Yeah. Nice flock of sandpipers just flew past.
I like to come here sometimes and look at all those sheep. There's various people who wronged me.
Very nice.
I love sharing spoons with you, Mr. Ishii. Britain in a pot.
I swear by Almighty God, I'll take it in the mouth, the whole mouth, and nothing but the mouth. So help me swallow.
Oh, fuck. Campfire, bottle of cider, wives don't understand. It's just the most romantic evening one could possibly spend. Fucking cold. I wouldn't do it for all the money in the fucking world, this. Mr. Ishii, it's too cold. It's cold. It really is. It's a great excuse, isn't it, if you've got a mistress? If I had to have just one thing, it would be gull's eggs. Very simple. Gull's eggs, mayonnaise. Gull's eggs. Very simple. Gull's eggs.
You'd think as a chef, he might have been in a supermarket before, but fresh ingredients sourced locally actually means direct supplier and interactions with the unwashed masses limited to pure novelty.
Is this one way?
Look at Jamie Oliver. What's he going to remember about restaurant cooking after Sainsbury's?
What's your name?
Roy.
Roy. My uncle was called Roy. He was a butcher as well.
Look at Ainsley Harriott.
Give your meat a good old rub.
He's big, he's black as the ace of spades, and he's great fun. What's wrong with that?
Is he a good chef then?
Fuck no!
Look, see, this is great. Do you like this? Oh, I love mustard. It's the best mustard in the world.
He's like a medieval king walking around a modern supermarket.
I bet your old man loves it, doesn't he?
He does. He likes a bit of hot stuff.
Yeah.
It's like an alien visiting Earth.
Supermarkets, you'll look at them for what they are. You can buy most things.
Yep.
He's a bit like Dracula that's just left his castle for the first time.
See, if you smell your fruit, what it smells of, it tastes of.
He puts his hands and nose on everything.
When you're buying fresh fruit, you should always smell it. So you have a quick smell. Can you smell orange?
No.
Who's this woman with curly hair telling me about smelling fruit?
There you are.
Can you? No.
Instead of actually shopping, he just starts approaching customers and giving them unsolicited lessons.
Ah, so I see you whipped out the turbot since I was last here.
Marco single-handedly cross-contaminated that whole supermarket, shaking that butcher's hand after handling the raw beef, touching the fish, and handling fruits and vegetables.
Marco gets himself upset arguing with an imaginary person who might dislike his great British feast.
If they wish to judge me, then that's their choice. All I'm doing is fighting for Britain and what Britain represents.
British values such as democracy and liberalism should be disseminated to other parts of the world.
The spread of these values required methods that were far from liberal.
I'm in a position where I can bully people.
It's been frozen. Do not film when I say do not film me. Shit. I don't think you understand what I am. I control myself very well.
Doesn't look like it.
No, I didn't make Gordon Ramsay cry.
He made himself cry. That was his choice to cry.
I feel quite repulsed by that.
It's too easy to bully your way. Have some fucking respect through life. That was the people's choice.
You can sniff your fruit if you like. It's your choice. I do it, but it's your choice.
They can have their choice. But now we're moving into another world, and that world is the world of puddings. Pudding, I have to step in. Because why should they have total control on everything?
That's true.
You know, let's not forget, it is our feast. And we...
Marco didn't make the old ladies smell the oranges. They made themselves smell the oranges. It was their choice.
And that's when I think of Britain, I think of puddings.
Yeah, me too, such a happy place.
This is our country! You should be here standing with us!
A stone, different from the others. So the stone becomes something else. And what's it like on him? Isn't he handsome? Handsome and different.
Puddings. If the diners walk away feeling that they are truly proud to be British, then I've done my job.
The chief doesn't recognize his brother.
And let's live in the real world.
Are you sure?
You are without doubt the prettiest veg bird in the world. Mr. Ishii, lots of red fruit. Bye, girls. Give me a kiss goodbye.
Oh, don't you shave?
Come on, girl.
Come on, girls. Okay.
Jelly, fruit. Jelly, fruit. What's the point? And there's our red fruits in jelly.
That's going to go great with the jelly of red fruit, isn't it? Look at that, boss.
I don't like it.
Absolutely stupendous. You know, best of everything there is British. It's pièce de résistance.
Get out.
There's people here for a good time. As you can see, the atmosphere is just electric.
Sad that it's over, because it's been a very special journey, and without doubt, one of the most special journeys of my life.
Cutting the half-time orange. That's real Britain conference.
Opening up new pork markets.